What's up, what's up, what's up? Your morning, your hello, you're sleeping, you better wake up. Welcome back to Licia Life N Travel. If it is your first time on this channel, I want to say welcome, and I am Licia, a lifestyle and travel vlogger located currently in Guangzhou, China. So today I'm at the warehouse, the cargo shipping company. I source goods for people who are not in China and I ship it off to them. So I'm at the shipping company today, cargo, and I'm about to load a 40 HQ, 40 feet container to send to Liberia. All of these things are goods purchased by Licia Life N Travel. Once the container arrives for us to upload, you will see the goods that are getting on the container. Remember to use Licia Life N Travel service here in Guangzhou, China.
On my feet, setting the table in all the sheet.
So this is our container right here. Still checking on all of my goods to make sure they are here.
Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king if I trust, but you must.
All of my babies,
I'm not just any
500 pieces of cheese.
I work too hard on my luxury. We come so far. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah.
It's hot, so this is
Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah. La 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 la. Looks, la 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 la. Looks. He asked what could he do for me.
stuff. You can make it.
I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a
This is the finishing touch. They are trying to seal it up. Contact Licia Life N Travel.